Hi guys, welcome to Piping, Welding and DT channel. So this is my video regarding how to compute the length of side and how to compute the angle, okay? So by the way, here's my channel, Piping, Welding, Non-Destructive and Examination Dash NDT. Just click here and you can see all video regarding piping or pipe feeder, regarding welding, regarding NDT, okay? Just click here and this is my channel. So this is my drawing. We have a vessel here, and we have a spool, we have elbow, we have flange connecting to the drum or vessel, okay? So now we will compute it, the length or the angle, okay? Which one we will first it, okay? Okay, let's first it the we will compute the angle. With what angle of this pipe connecting to this vessel, okay? We will compute this. So this is the angle. We will find that, but we have a dimension here, and we have this is at our travel, and this is our set, okay? So let's say we have a 20 here, and we have a 15 here. So this is our set, and travel is 20. So we will compute it, the angle. So this is the angle. What angle of this pipe connecting to the vessel, okay? Using this FX100 ms. To find that, the formula is set divided by travel equals sine, okay? Our set is 15. So 15 divided to 20 equals, oh sorry, 15 divided to 20. So this is answer 0.75. Now, to find the degree, just press the shift, and then sine equals. So this is the answer. Okay, this is our degrees. So we have a degrees of 48.5. So this is 48.5 degrees. Okay. Okay, to know that if we have a correct degrees, we have correct computation, we will get now the set, okay? So we have answer of 15 if we correct our degrees. So let's say we will find this set. Okay, remember we have 15 here. Okay, so to find that, so our travel is 20. 20 multiply it to sine 48.5. Okay, so we have correct computation, right? So our answer is 14.9. So this is round of it, this is 15. Okay, so this is, remember, this is 15. Our answer is 14.9. Okay, just round of it, this is 15. Okay, so this is how to compute the length of side and how to compute the degrees. Okay, just vice versa, compute it degrees and travel, we have correct, if we have correct from this as our answer. Okay, So we have no answer for our run, so we will compute that. So trouble 20 cosine 20 multiplied to cosine 48.5. So this is our answer for the run. So I make it cosine to get the run. Okay, so answer is 13.2. So our run is, this is our run, and this is 13.2. Okay, so that's all for now, guys. I hope you have learned about this video, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment, and don't forget also to like my video. Okay, bye bye, see you next time, have a nice day.